Hi everyone, and welcome to our third video for our PE1 review. This time, it's Unit 3, How often do you go to the gym? Notice we're using how often again, so we're recycling some of the language from Unit 2. We'll do that a lot. This is a lot of the important stuff we need for Unit 3. One of the questions we used a lot was, are you exercising a lot these days? And are you getting enough sleep? Then we talked about, can you do something? I'll get to that. The rest of this is activities that we talked about. So you can study, make sure you know all this. You can go back to the homework website, Moodle, and check the vocab cards so you know all of this. A big part of Unit 3 was using go, do, and play. Those three words would go with all the activities we talk about. If we're talking about go, it's usually outside. We go somewhere. You actually move. And the word ends in ing. Some examples: biking, shopping, jogging, swimming, hiking, skiing. Bowling is a special one. I'll talk about that in a minute. But anything that ends in ing, skating, walking, running, right? All of this, you're moving, you're going somewhere. Now, do, usually, not always, usually inside. It's one place and maybe a little movement. Sometimes it's a solo activity, such as you do homework. You could do it with a friend, but you are doing the homework. You are studying, you're learning. You do yoga. Again, you can do this with other people, but it's about making yourself better. A jigsaw puzzle. Inside one place. Martial arts. You do with someone, but you're trying to make yourself better. It's you doing one thing. Weightlifting, it's ing. I'll explain that in a moment. Let me finish with play. Play, it's all the sports. It's a ball sport. So a ball is used, or hockey's a bit different, but don't worry. There are two teams, and there's a score. It can be outside or it can be inside. Don't worry about that. So we play soccer, baseball, basketball, hockey, tennis, badminton, golf, rugby, lots of stuff. Now, let me explain bowling. Bowling is a game. It has two teams, it has a score, it has a ball, but it's ing. Think of it, you're going somewhere. You go to the bowling alley and you're moving when you're playing it, right? You go down the lane, you bowl. So we use ing. We go bowling. Weightlifting, don't worry, it's a special case. Weightlifting, we do. If you're lifting heavy weights, you're probably not moving, right? You're standing in one place. So I hope that helps for do, play, and go. And then we can ask things like how often. But in class, we talked about healthy lifestyles and sports and exercise. We used some of these questions. Are you exercising a lot these days? Right? That's a yes or no. Are you? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Do you ever anything? Go jogging in this case. So, do you do this? Not, it doesn't matter if you don't do it much. Maybe you go jogging twice a year. Here it says twice a week. Okay. Can you? We'll get back to that. That just means, do you know how to do something? And lastly, we talked about things we can and cannot do. So the question starts with, can you? We might ask things like, Can you play basketball? Can you swim? Or can you ride a bike? Sure. You might say, yes, I can. Or maybe you'll say, no, I can't. That's the simple answer. You can expand by repeating the activity. Yes, I can play basketball. Yes, I can swim. Or yes, I can ride a bike. The same is true for no, I can't. You can say, no, I can't play basketball. No, I can't swim. Or no, I can't ride a bike. Do, play, and go are the main things in the can you questions, or do you ever? But as always, I hope this helps, and good luck with the exams. I'll see you next time.